Did you know the greatest military victory in Roman history was won by refusing to fight? When Hannibal crossed the Alps and crushed 3 Roman armies, Rome was on the brink of collapse. Then Quintus Fabius Maximus became dictator and did something unthinkable. He deliberately avoided battle for 2 entire years. While Hannibal ravaged the Italian countryside, Fabius simply followed him like a shadow. He attacked only supply lines and stragglers, never engaging the main army. Romans were furious, calling him cunctator, meaning the delayer, as an insult. They thought he was a coward destroying Rome's honor. But Fabius understood what others couldn't see. Hannibal's army was slowly starving, cut off from reinforcements and supplies. The great Carthaginian general desperately tried to provoke a decisive battle, but Fabius refused every trap. After 2 years, Hannibal's once mighty force had withered away. The most brilliant military mind in history was defeated by a man who wouldn't fight him.